Mao Akraba Wafreme Adwa searching Mesrel now was subscribing to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Efia Pokuya Vim Lady Nishu Awatuni Din Jaso Aya or the Professor Donfe Ebaso Oyane interview. Na last week Monday omu program omoye and a professor Edene analysis awaye ebeto embontia ochrese eye His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Baumia Sisi no olidi eye Omanpeni Dada John Dramani Mahama ewo post ni na 2024 ise yeto aba eye Dr. Baumia ena obinwini na ebusuafo ne kasemu ena ode eniema Omanpeni Dada Mahama eye yanka ensem fatasa Omanpeni Dada Mahama na NDC for krano omo bebi omo ano no mo aka economy ho asem because omo time no eye economy no omo performance na enye omo bibia na enye so Omanpeni Dada Mahama krade he has no right so be kan economy ho asem na owie e na ochire se eye His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo ebefa Ghana kundwa no from 2016 17 18 19 eba 2020 no economy no Nana Addo eye adepa bon ho modern is dollar rate no ejina ne nanso cedi no amodin bem economy bibia na ekoso so COVID-19 by nti His Excellency ne first time ne de Ghana ni bie no obetimi akase na Addo amon ho modern but COVID ne by no e wiase afa na nanti yenti me fan share NPP chinchina His Excellency eyade na mpo wa yade papa yenti nsema ode etudwa
okay and a stability na banti no omo yes an nti no Amas is a Bank of Ghana owes $7 billion in their reserves.
Is that the reason why I'm not affected post now? Would you say I'm not affected?
Yeah, it has affected it in a way because we see the stability the way I see the jump from 14 cities to 16 cities. Senka Bank of Ghana intervention.
Hello, Prof.
One, son, and Chini Becan. It then.
Maybe starting here, we share me Facebook and moves and go forward to a woman. Go forward to a woman, they wouldn't want you to speak. Once they can start it. Maybe they are to me Facebook, me who say I'm coming Facebook and met to a woman. We go post now, okay, can't call. So, but class say, Samahama say this election is about the coming economy. Number one, it's true. Say it's about the economy.
Right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, he's right about it. Unfortunately, he left a very horrible, economy. He left a very horrible economy. Don't know what could drop born in Utimeka. Safa, I didn't say he left a robust economy.
So, what is it about this economy in Tiama Baumia Babeda 46? Because if Mahama Nanka last year by this time, in Kobe we need one touch, over 50% lead. Not because of say we can see improvement in the economy by MF14 as I improvement number. Anything I'm about me abedi kinda. What happened?
Improvement and stability. We had the year 2022. The year 2022. And clearly, as I told Ghana the year 2022, there was no solution. President Akuffo to be the idea. $1 was going for 4 cities, 20 pesos. Exactly on 7 January 2017.
Okay.
Now $1 offer near 4 cities, 20 pesos. The day President Mahama handed over to Akuffo. And so Tama Akuffo handed over power to himself now. That is 7 January 2021. Now dollar no more than could do 5 cities. 85 pesos around 85, 86 pesos. And you know clearly catch who said Akuffo on the first term, dollar was very strong. Indeed, accumulatively, dollar cedi depreciated against dollar by 27% during Akuffo's first term. Accumulatively. Indeed, sorry, it's not dollar that was stronger, cedi was rather stronger.
Cedi was stronger, okay.
Yeah.
So what happened after the 300 from crowd?
It was stronger, and Akuffo's performance in city management in his first term was the best for any first term government since 1992.
Since 1992.
Since we started this dispensation, about being one first step, what we are maintaining depreciation at 27%. It's not to say, for the first term, from 7 January 2017 to 7 January 2021, the performance of city, historically, even if you go back to 1957 today, one of the best period that in city stabilized ended that period.
Okay.
Now, the year 2022, as MBC, we are saying, yeah, many people are aware. Indeed, last year, an IMF World Bank, I think was it annual meeting? Was it held during the last week of October or so? I was there for 10 days. I was a delegate.
Oh, IMF meeting, I say.
Delegate. IMF a letter say we are inviting you to become part of our annual meeting. When you that's what I said. What did you matter videos now?
Oh, I mean, forget your own name. Let me see 2020. We research how we are in Alabama. Baby, I'll tell you, and see surprisingly, I know what I say. The same people know who they are coming. 2020 near TV's near predict MP before they lose seat. No, I will say I am this vote. Meanwhile, I can't have no crying. I was say, oh.
Me promote some brana omo di matemendisi obi a oye big person when this bi onko busa am for say the last election ayina me yema survey no tu ameka
ade kra no
ma ye ho ade nso
just ma ya ade kra
47 on tra ma ye ho ade ato
percentage no
47
because Jofasco eka kire me say nya we hu no ko ya sori panyi nya we hu no ay 53% for Baumia eja noa eka the same 53% panyi bi so eka 53% and atwa so 3 periphobia from ni medin komo no 53 and try and entiye
ye ro Baumia benya obenya 1.2 million vote
Edia biti
1.2 million.
Difference no san
1.2 million. Medical ka jamo se. Ekunafo enyanka eyisia ene nkwado maame ewo jamo bi wo mekoto no twere bola so na nkofo akofo mu do mugu orphanage home. Sa nkwala na ebia ba be police, ebia be doctor through free SHS, ebia be immigration officer through free SHS. Sa nkwala ni nti inkomsheni bia wahya gba mahama bia betane me matane no bigina Yesu Kristo moja mu matane inkomsheni bia nkomhye e fasa mahama betumi wini election 2024 na unimu wu ahwena omufo mani nkɔ voter regime first o hye MPP atade mpo na edin enne voter for de ni genanka voter ni betumi afri voter so oba betodwom e de support o ti ahemfo no kasa na mka chere Messi, on one mobilize this week of frame was many 50. Now the music out to Ponchia ye duane mo e ma ye didi say I'm talking to you. Me person no mukasa o video. Of any bra ba o. A revolution a so a Ghana for hu bi da. Na mo be hu no say start at ni free voter. Amam for go pet euro.
Be jom nai.
Oh. Messi start at na euro. O mo ko fon to euro si ho na sembesi. Enkonya be hwiagu. Obebenya nkonya o ebenya nkonya be 17 ba da so nkonya 17 na mde ma MPP
parliamentary seat
dia ya kan dia no be benya friends